Why SRI? SRI are the exercises with which you can activate the app that are embedded in your physiology. You must consider the 12 stages of healing like 12 apps that are on your smartphone. And every time you do an exercise, you make the experience of this app. And doing the exercises, you can explore where you're actually, which app is always active, which app you don't experience, and in this way you can then redirect your focus, your behavior and your perception in a way that is helping you to progress in your life. The apps are in 3 groups. One is survival, one is progress, or we call it transform, and the other one is awaken.